previously on Solo Driven.
I over tightened one of the lug nuts, and for the life of me, as of right now, I can't get it off. So I'll just be releasing videos that I planned on doing after the brake kit install and until further notice. They say the third time's the charm.
Round 3, fight! Finish it.
There it goes, yeah. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. I go by the name of Solo. Welcome back to Solo Driven. Now, if you tuned into last week's video, y'all saw that we got a big brake kit for the Cobra and also got them laser engraved Cobra to match the factory Cobra logo on the factory brakes. Now, today we're gonna be getting these powder coated, test fitted, and installed. So let's waste no more time. Of course, we're gonna be going to my buddy Alex's house where we're gonna be drilling in the new inserts and test fitting them. But we're gonna see if we're gonna be able to use the spacers that came with the kit, or we're gonna have to order some new ones. So let's waste no more time. Cold start, let's go. This guy, drag pack setup, skinny's in the front, fatty's in the back. The twins are back at it again. Now, what we're gonna be doing right now is we're gonna be putting in the new inserts and also test fitting them to see how much clearance they have. And then after that, we're gonna go get them powder coated and actually install them. Alright, so we got the disc and the brake caliper off. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put a bolt. I'll leave it in the description below, the size. You can buy it from Home Depot, Lowe's, any hardware store. Find one that specifically fits in the GM insert. Then after we knock this insert out, we're going to put our insert in from the adapter kit. That way it can fit with the factory Cobra spindle. And there we go, one down, 3 more to go. We got both sides inserted and fitted. Now we can remove them, put them in the trunk, and take them out to get powder coated. Alright, off to get these powder coated. Now, you may be wondering why I'm in my backyard instead of the shop. The guy's shop burned down. Well, the complex that the guy's shop is at burned down. So it's gonna be a while before he's back up and running. Luckily, his actual spot didn't burn down. It suffered minor damages, but enough to suffice them shutting it down. So we're gonna paint them ourselves. 2 black Cobras. Now, of course, you're already up to speed. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and install the brakes right now. We already have the car jacked up on jack stands. So let's get to it. One side down and one side to go. Alright guys, and the brakes are finally installed. The calipers, I mean, are installed, and they look, I'm actually surprised. They look pretty good, and you can actually visibly see them with, you know, this type of wheel. So they came out really good. I'm gonna have to go ahead and just postpone this. We're gonna pick up tomorrow. We're gonna install the other side, and we're gonna take a look at them with, you know, with more light, because right now it already turned dark. Time is changing. So let's go ahead and pick up where we left off in the morning. Bam, just like that. Are you ready, guys? Check it out. That is the finished product. It looks so good, especially in the daytime. It stands out really well, especially with the red seats, the valve covers, even that little YouTube sticker. It looks so good. Now, I wish that I could take this car out for a drive, but I cannot do that because the plates are expired and the tags just expired. So I can't take a chance out there driving, unfortunately. Hopefully you guys understand. I did order the new plates, so they are coming in. It takes about 30 days to come in. Once I get those in, we'll start enjoying this car a little bit more. In the meantime, we'll do like little maintenance for the time being. But check this out, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I actually am, like I mentioned last night, super surprised at the visibility of the brakes with these type of rims. Now for the rear brakes, for now I'll probably just paint the small little caliper for now, just to kind of have it matching. But let me know what you guys think. I think it looks amazing. Everything is just contrasting so well. It was actually a pretty easy install. I was intimidated. Thanks to my boy Alex for coming through and helping me out, and he actually did the majority of the work on these brakes. He has more experience with this type of stuff. I was a little bit more intimidated with it, I ain't gonna lie, but we got them on nonetheless, regardless. So appreciate you, Alex, and yeah, let's get some B-roll, baby. I absolutely love the big brake kit upgrade. I can't wait to get this car back out on the road. Pretty soon we'll have these placed and we can continue with the build and the car. But in the meantime, we do have some upgrades coming to the Catfish very soon, next week. So if you don't want to miss any of these videos, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button to support, and remember, be motivated, stay driven.